Hey parents and students, welcome to SGG Time with Sergeant Rod. I'm Sergeant Rod, and I'm going to go over in this video how to register for the AP exam. Now, this was emailed by the Assistant Principal, Miss Maggie Norris, a couple weeks ago. I'm going to go over what she went over in that PowerPoint, and I'm going to include all the links in this PowerPoint as well. All right. The expectation for Northwest ISD is that if a student is taking an AP class, we really want them to take the AP exam at the end of the year, and we really want them to earn the college credit for that exam. A lot of these students taking AP are going to probably take AP next year as well, and probably junior and senior year. And so this class is really, their first attempt to get, to dip their toes in the water of AP. We really want them to have that experience of taking an AP exam and knowing what it's like, even if they don't end up passing it. We still think there's value in taking it. So let's go through this slideshow. I'll try and keep it brief. All students, whether or not they're taking the exam, they all have to create accounts on My AP Classroom, which is College Board's website. This is something they should have already done. I think that's every student has already done that. Now, the exam will be paid through a separate website, though. I know, I wish that it was as easy as to just pay it through the website that they all had to create, but it's actually through a website called Total Registration, all right? And I will provide the link for that in the email where you were able to get this video message. Let me see. Students who qualify for free/reduced lunch will also qualify for additional AP exam discounts. All right. So if you are someone who qualifies for that, you also would qualify to receive a reduced price for the exam. In order to do that, there's a separate link for you to follow. You would just have to fill out saying that you qualify and that you won't be paying the full fee. And again, I will have the link for that in the email. Okay. I don't think it's actually in the slideshow, but the date of the exam is May 4th. All right. That holiday, May the 4th be with you. It is on May 4th. The payment window lasts all the way until March. However, the price increases if you keep waiting all the way until the end. So the cheapest it will ever be is if you pay it before November 6th. All right, that is the cheapest you'll ever have to, that's the most you'll ever have to pay. If you wait until after November 6th, though, the price increases. All right, what they do is they start adding late fees. All right, so here are the fees, right? If you still register before November 6th, the initial exam cost is $98, all right, for which the district, Northwest Independent School District, is contributing $30, which means that for you, it only costs $68, all right? After November 6th, if you wait until November 7th to register, they're going to tack on a $40 late fee. So it's not just a small late fee, it's actually pretty large. And down here, all this says is that these are the fees for students who qualify for free and reduced lunch. All right, they will also, if you wait, you will still have to pay that $40 late fee. To my understanding, when you register on Total Registration, it will give you the option to pay later, right? You can register now and pay later. If you can pay now, I would just say pay now to get it over with, because you might very well forget to pay it later. I don't know when that later date is, but I would say once you register, right, if you're doing it before November 6th, just go ahead and pay as soon as you register. This does not apply to us, so I shouldn't have even included that. Okay, so special notes. If you previously used Total Registration to register for AP exams, your login credentials will be the same. I don't believe that's any one of you guys because you're all freshmen. Though this might apply. If you're registering more than one student for AP exams, right? You have a junior and you have a freshman, or you have a sophomore and you have a freshman. You will need to use and or create separate accounts in Total Registration for each student. All right, and each student will require a separate registration process. So just bear that in mind, right? If you're like, I already did this for Susie right there in senior year, but no, your ninth grade student will need to have a separate one. All right, exam cancellations and refunds. A $5 per exam cancellation fee will be applied to any exam canceled by November 6th. After November 6th, we will be unable to refund your payment, even if the exam is not taken. All right, so just consider that. All right, so there's the link to order and pay for your exams. Again, that will be in the email. Please make sure you select the correct course and instructor. All right, so the course is AP Human Geography, and I am the instructor, Ivan Rodriguez. All right, this talks about paying for it. You may pay by debit or credit card. If you're paying with a check or money order, please select this option and follow the instructions provided. Please note that your registration will not be complete until payment is received and processed. If the payment is received after the deadline provided, the cost of the test will increase and all additional fees will also be needed to be paid before the exam can be ordered. So again, our suggestion is, once you register, it makes everything simplified if you just pay for it at that time. We will not be able, the school cannot accept any form of payment. It must be done through the website. So don't send your students with a check or cash. We cannot do anything with that. And once they've paid for the exam, please ask them to check with me. I'll just cross-reference against the data that I have in the total registration website and make sure that they are registered, in fact, for the exam. Once exams are ordered, we will not be able to correct any errors in ordering. All right. So hopefully, right, make sure that you don't order the wrong one. It is AP Human Geography, and I, Ivan Rodriguez, am the instructor. You may also log into the total registration system at any time to verify your registration and that payment has been applied. All right, if you have any questions, the best person to contact, I'm sure I can answer some, but the best person is the assistant principal, Maggie Norris, because she's the AP testing coordinator, and that is her email, mnorris@nisdtx.org, and that is the number to her office. In addition to the PowerPoint, I'm also going to include this in the email as well, which kind of just breaks it all down into what I said in this video in a more concise way, along with the deadlines there. Okay, I think that covers everything. So my hope is that, you guys get, as soon as you watch this video, you get that taken care of as soon as possible, because we want those students to get the college credit that they've worked so hard for. All right, thanks so much. And I will, talk to you guys.